just 5 minutes of my life. Well, to be honest, I wasn't actually supposed to be an EM major. I was supposed to be a computer designs major.
Yeah.
But just because I failed 14 points on my math SATs, I wasn't allowed into that major. So I spoke to the counselor here at Cookstown, and she said that if I do good in the electronic media major, at least keep a 3.0, she'll get me into the other major. And I was like, okay. A whole year went by, and I found no interest in the other major, so I'm stuck here now, and I really enjoy it. You want to hear the ding?
Yeah.
All right. It's going to be like random. Ding!
That'll be like the end of the project.
And then the computer shuts down. Yo, I'm not. Shut up, Miguel. Shut up, Miguel.
Don't drink stuff in the field.
I would say my favorite part is actually getting out there and getting those shots, making the shot, man. But just enjoying yourself, understanding that everybody's born for something, and I thought I was born for something else, but I guess this is what I'm born for. To be honest, I enjoy everything. It's basically everything I find to be very equal, but what I enjoy the most is either directing, doing CG graphics, or the audio. I find the audio to be more interesting to me just because you have to be on your toes. If you don't get it right, it's going to sound like crap, and then you're going to embarrass the whole crew. So I'm the type of person that I like to have quality work. I don't care for quantity.
Yeah.
So just being able to hear something crisp and clear is what I like.
Right.
This guy's crazy.
I like Parrish. He's just a little bit crazy.
A little bit. Don't let him see this.
Do with that in the future.
I hope to open up my own studio one day. That's my dream since I was like 6 years old. I don't know why, just random studio. Be able to record people just for like jokes or to give testimonies of how their life has been changed and stuff like that. But mainly to be able to reach out to the youth. My thing is reaching out to teenagers and helping them through life. Yes, yes, it is done. So delicate, so special. Yeah, I found a lot of interest in it, and my parents they're gonna start traveling a lot, and they need somebody to record the trips. So I was like, hey, I'm doing this, so might as well. Okay. See you later, Justin.
See you.